Hi guys, it's Maria with Lawrence Kia again, and on this rainy Thursday, I'm going to show you how to use remote start. We're going to use a 2018 Kia Sorento. Some Kia models come with the remote start, some don't. So if yours does not come with it, you can check out our parts store online or give us a call and they can help you get it set up. Alright, so you can do this unlocked or locked, it doesn't matter. So ours is unlocked right now. So you'll have two keys, your key and the remote start key. You're going to press the remote start key once, blue light's going to pop on, and then you're going to hold it until it goes off. And it should go. Perfect, all there is to it. And then what you're going to do when you're all ready to get into your car or everything, it is locked. So you want to make sure you unlock it for yourself, get in. And don't forget to remember you'll have to start it again once you get in. But that's all there is to it. So stay tuned for next week. We'll give you another new video.